It's 10:35 at night, Thursday, December 29th, and the freezer is making sounds again. I don't know what's causing it, but take a listen. That gives you a good idea.